Welcome to Rage Fight Academy here in Pattaya, Thailand. I got a last-minute invite to come out for an event tonight, film a video, but trust me, this is not your normal Muay Thai. All right, checked in, guest list life, gotta love that. This place is huge. It's like an entire fucking compound. I don't know where anything is. Well, first impressions, nothing's going on quite yet. Everybody's still filing in. And of course, Muay Thai training is a big thing. A lot of people come to Thailand to train Muay Thai. Now, granted, I know dick all about gyms, but this place is sick. They've got like a coffee shop right there. They've got the whole stage over here. They got the training section over there. And then they got a whole other compound across the street over there. Another thing that's pretty wild, I didn't notice honestly until about an hour ago. If you're a UFC fan, Jorge Masvidal and Yoel Romero, super official UFC guys, I guess, are making an appearance. So we'll have to check that out too. See if we can't get them to give a shout out to the vlog, huh? I had to come hide for a second because they are blasting music over there, but that was triple threat boxing. That's kind of the theme tonight. There's gonna be a bunch of different fights, a bunch of different crazy rules. That was pretty sick, and it only gets more wild from here. The other thing I am noticing is I'm not particularly a small guy. I'm not huge, but walking around this place, it's obviously a bunch of fighters. They're all big as shit, so safe to say I'm just kind of getting out of the way.
Eyes get a feast of BJJ greatness. They're very scared. Get his wagon, yes, there it is, there it is, yes, there it is.
As you guys may have saw, that last one was tag team BJJ, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and I'll be honest, I'm not a mega fan of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. I respect it big time. I understand every single one of those dudes could choke me out. But if I'm watching, I like striking, but luckily, now we're getting into it, baby. The second I turned the camera off, that shorter dude, or the taller dude, sorry, in the last fight was over, literally turned around, puked everywhere. I tried to get it on film, but I could smell it and I had to bounce. I'm one of those people, if I like see puke or I smell puke especially, I'll be the second one, so I had to bounce. I have never understood like wrestling, professional wrestling. I get it. I 100% get it now. It's a show. That was amazing. That I can't. All right, guys, Studio Tempus here. It is the next day. Unfortunately, all my batteries died by the end of the show, so I wasn't able to capture the last fight, but it was a great time. I was pleasantly surprised with the whole operation. A major thank you to Chris and Rage Fight Academy for having me out. This video is not sponsored. They did not pay me to tell you how fun this was. But from the facilities to the entire show, I was very impressed. So I would 100% recommend, if you're coming to Pattaya, you want a place to work out, train Muay Thai, boxing, whatever it may be, I highly suggest you check them out. The links will be in the description below. And of course, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you later.